अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है कि आप सब बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे। वेलकम बैक टू माई अनदर व्लॉग। आज का ये व्लॉग बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त होने वाला है क्योंकि मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ ग्लोबल विलेज से न्यू ईयर के फायरवर्क्स जो कि स्टार्ट होने वाला है जस्ट इन फ्यू मिनट्स। तो आप इंजॉय करें मेरे इस ज़बरदस्त से व्लॉग को।
Not my idea. All right, well listen, we are now at the important one. We're a few moments away from saying Happy New Year to all of us right here in Dubai, in this brilliant country that we all call home, right here in the United Arab Emirates. Thank you so much for joining us, everyone. Give yourselves a big cheer! Alrighty! And you lot are amazing. You know, without you, without your audience, without you coming every week, without you supporting us, without you going to the carnival and the stunt show, watching our shows, there would be no Global Village. So thank you to all of you for 26 seasons of support from all of you, coming every day, every season and helping us. We have a great time. So listen, thank you. You are all amazing. All right, well, at 5 o'clock we said Happy New Year to Australia. At 8 o'clock we said Happy New Year to the Philippines. Anyone from Philippines? Few people in. At 9 o'clock we said Happy New Year to Thailand. Anyone from Thailand? Few, that's good. At 10 o'clock we said Happy New Year to Bangladesh. There must be some Bangladeshis, absolutely. And at 10:30 we said Happy New Year to India. At 11 o'clock we said Happy New Year to Pakistan. Moments time we're going to say Happy New Year to all of us here, right here in Dubai. But first of all, what we're going to do is a drone up there. Can you see it behind you? Give a big wave to the drone. See, give a big wave to the drone. That's going to be a brilliant photo. There it is. There we go. Big wave to the drone. Well done, everyone. Okay, and here we go. We are at the countdown. We are 1 minute away from 2022. So when we get, we're going to count down from 30 seconds this time. So you're all going to help. You're all going to join in, we're going to count down and we're going to say goodbye to 2021 and welcome 2022, and we hope it's going to be a fantastic year for all of you. Okay, in your biggest, loudest Dubai Global Village voices, let's count down from 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15,